What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to UFD Tech. About a year ago, I made a video about how I was moving to South Africa. And since then, I forgot to update you guys on that. But we're established. I now work here all of the time in this Rainbow Nation. Instead of not telling you guys about what UFD Tech is up to, I'm going to tell you what we're up to. So that's what's happening today. We're going to give you a tour of our South African office, starting with the kitchen. We've got a fridge. We have this magnificent cat butthole calendar that was not provided by me, but is in high demand in this office. We also have a camera that I'm gonna hurt you, Reese. What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to get it not to zoom.
Reese, what do you not remember how to do this?
Whoa.
That's the selfie mode. Yeah, a triple tap to flip it around again. So we have cameras that track everybody all the time. That's nice. If you go to our Twitch stream, twitch.tv/UFD Tech, you can see everybody. Now follow me over here to the Deal Master Den, as we're going to be calling it. This is where Reese sits. You want to show them what you do here, Reese?
Look at this. So I got deals going there. We got our dedicated Linux PC, our dedicated Linux laptop, and a whole bunch of extra stuff that don't look at that. Stop looking at it.
Why would you guys look at that? Why would you look at that? And then over here, we've got one of the newest members. I need my second microphone. Hold on one second. Some of you might be familiar that we started a second channel called UFD Garage, where we're going to be doing car content. And you might recognize my co-host of Car Hot News.
Honse.
It's Honse. Talk to the camera, man.
Can I work now?
He can work now. We're going to let you work now. He's been here for about 3 months. So everybody's off of probation now, so they get to reveal their face. Especially this guy, who's been here for about 2 years.
Give or take, yeah.
I looked at the video from last year where I talked about moving here, and we mentioned you in that, but
Once.
it was like your...
I pulled my quote-unquote professional headshot. Yeah.
So, nobody's seen you until very recently.
Maybe that's for the best.
If you want to watch him, like in this, where he sits, twitch.tv/UFD Tech, you can watch him work and not use a microphone.
Yeah, I want both of you.
What do you do here?
I edit the videos. I'm one of the shorts editors.
He's our workhorse.
I am the quote-unquote workhorse. I edit too many videos. That's not true.
It's not enough.
I make the funnies. That's really all I contribute.
If any of you have known us for our Yakuza gifts,
Yeah, that's my fault. You're
That's him.
welcome. You're welcome.
100%.
I am the
I don't think anybody else in this office has played.
literally not a single person. So you're welcome.
And then hiding over here is the person who's been here the second longest, besides the guy in the camera holding the camera.
Hey, yo, what up?
Oh, am I just holding the microphone? Is that what we're doing?
Oh,
Goodness.
geez. Okay.
Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello, what up? I'm Kat. I've been here a while. I can't leave. I think 7 years.
Yeah, but you got cool toys.
I got cool toys. Look at this thing. It's got buttons. It's got Twitch chat up. If you want to come chat to me, go to Twitch.
I didn't realize that this would be a plug for Twitch, but I guess it is.
I guess it is. Hey,
Yeah.
do you want to see Michael get hit with a mouse pad?
Kat's been here for a long time, and she also edits a whole bunch of stuff. And moving on. State your name.
My name,
State your name.
David.
What do you
David.
do here?
I try and work here. I try.
What do you do? What do you?
I
what do
am
you
the
do?
other shorts editor.
Other
just slower.
How'd you
and
get your job?
nepotism?
Nepotism.
Purely. Yeah. Nepotism.
Nepotism. Kat's the biggest provider of nepotism in this entire office. It is. It is very true.
He's one too.
Yeah.
It's just not just me.
He's been here for a lot longer, though. So, yeah. David's one of our more recent acquisitions. And then right here is supposed to be Rickus, but he told me that he's not coming in today, which I'm shocked. I'm not. This is where Rickus sits. Jason, our other editor, sometimes comes in, but he lives in Joburg, so it's a bit of a trek for him.
I'm going on an adventure.
State your name,
Where do I look?
wherever you want.
Boyson is the name. I was fired yesterday, and it just took him 10 minutes to take me back in because I'm very valuable, I think.
You weren't fired. You were just excommunicated. He's our editor for the Garage channel, and he's also been here for roughly 3 months. And yes, you are very valuable. You get to stay. So this is our editing den, in case you couldn't tell. This is where all of the big work happens. But we have plenty of more space to show you besides all of these fools. But, you know, it takes a lot of money to keep this whole thing going. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people on the South African team. And, you know, it takes a lot to manage that too. And maybe you could manage your money with today's video sponsor.
You know what feels like a gigantic, daunting task? And no, I'm not talking about getting 99 agility, but that's a great guess. I'm talking about organizing your money, your cheddar, your clams. Setting financial goals and properly tracking your spending doesn't have to be as hard as you think, particularly with some help from today's sponsor, Monarch. Monarch creates a one-stop shop for everything to do with your money and spending. Instead of checking multiple different apps, portals, and accounts, you can manage and understand everything from one clean dashboard on both web and mobile. I also don't want to think about money all day, just when I want to check on what's going on. Being spammed with notifications is super annoying and really distracts you from anything else you might be doing. Monarch gives you control without micromanagement. Having simple to see categories, summaries, and AI-powered insights tells you exactly what you need to know, only when you need to know it. Something I really like is how easy Monarch makes it to visualize both saving and paying down debt. You can set up savings goals for things like emergency funds, a new car, or even a house down payment. You can set your desired goal, and when you want to hit this goal, then Monarch will tell you how much you should save per month to go for it. You can also set pay down goals for cards, loans, and other debt, and then calculate your payoff projection based on contributions. Saving is made even easier with Monarch's budgeting options. You can separate between flexible and fixed expenses so you can see what your regular monthly spending is as a baseline, then set flexible budgets for things like hobbies or restaurant outings. Monarch also syncs with over 13,000 institutions with a fast and secure setup. This is great for me because between having a family and running a business, there are a lot of different accounts to manage that I gotta take care of. Take control of your finances and check out Monarch today and use my promo code UFD50 and the link below for 50% off your first year of Monarch. And add your accounts, set your budget, and start saving. Big thank you to Monarch for sponsoring.
Now let's go ahead and manage the rest of the office. A lot of you guys are familiar with this set right here. This is the filming set for both shorts as well as hot news and kind of anything else we do where I'm seated, like the ad you just saw. I sit here, Reese sits here, and it's just kind of not a small room, but a room that has lights and such that you can turn them on and then they blind you. I forgot how to ad-lib things. This is fun. There's sound panels around. There's also a lot of power cords on the floor. This is how you properly run things. Please don't yell at me. Then we've got a bathroom so that these chuckleheads can go toilet. So it's also got a shower.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
And then this is my pad. This is where I work. The idea is that I'm supposed to make videos besides hot news, and I've been struggling a little bit with that lately. So this is an attempt to try to get back to that. You'll also notice, Reese, you should probably show him my bags of shame. All over. I've got bags of shame. Yeah, look at all that. My Burry and hash brown stack bag of shame situation. This is also where we run the stream from. We've got the little mini PC right here that does everything. This is supposed to be my benchmarking station with an ARC B580 in it. I've been working on that video for 4 months and working. In case you've seen twitch.tv/UFD music, you've seen our RPG. I kind of work on that here, so that's my office. I like being alone sometimes. And we got a closet here, which is going to contain a whole bunch of stuff that we've either worked on or going to work on. We've got plenty of space. And then this was my office. And as you can see, we've got plenty of extra space to do things. We just haven't figured it out yet. 4 months we've been in this specific office, so we're trying to make things work. I used to work out of here, but then we changed a whole bunch of stuff, and now I work out of the other room. And then this was our editor's den, but now it's not because we wanted to have a more open area, and having 6 people in here was a little tight. So now it's kind of our, I'll deal with this later setup. So we do have a 3D printer that is supposed to be set up. And then we've got stuff, capture card, car filming equipment. Stream Deck XL, just in there. And we also got our Synology NAS right here, the DS1825 Plus. This has 128 terabytes. We're going to be doing a dedicated video on this sometime soon. Not right now, but soon. So get ready for that. And we have a camera that's supposed to watch the 3D printer. And it does watch it. It does a good job of watching the 3D printer. It keeps an eye on it, that's for sure. And then last bathroom. This one's my favorite because here, Reese and I we can both fit.
This is a big shower.
You can I mean, the shower head's kind of normal, but you know, yeah, we could extend it out and like, yeah, get the like where it rains from the ceiling. And then we have one last special place to show you that's not in this building. This is our solar room. So we've got a whole bunch. We have two, I think they're 8 kilowatt inverters. And then we have 6 batteries so that when the power goes out, we don't go out and we can keep working. Currently at 77% battery. We can stay going. We're bringing in currently, it's 1.04 kilowatts. That's how much we're bringing in from the solar right now at currently 9:26 a.m. So it'll get brighter, it'll get more, and we can stay up and do a whole bunch of stuff, like make videos. I've been back here for almost a year, as I mentioned, and yeah, I haven't really been keeping everybody up to date on the behind the scenes of what's been going on. Had a lot of personal stuff happening, all been fine. Had a lot of office stuff happening. It's all been okay. We've been making it work, but now we're kind of getting established. We're in our space. Everybody's settled, and we're moving forward. So thank you to everybody who's been on this journey since the first office vlogs that Reese filmed 2017. You started here 2017.
Been a hot minute since we've done one of these.
Yeah, we got a decent sized team here. We're making content. I'm thankful for being here, having the team, for my family living here. I love South Africa. Shout out Rainbow Nation. That's all I don't know. Anybody want to say something before we cut the vlog? Anybody?
Kyler says, tell your dad Kyler says hi.
Did you tell your dad that Kyler says hi?
Tell your dad that Kyler says hi.
Please tell your dad that Kyler says
Please.
hi. Don't. Kyler will cause more.
He's gonna cry.
He might burn down the American office.
This is an emergency.
Tell your dad that Kyler says hi.
Tell your dad that Kyler says hi.